solve x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square into partial fractions. After observing this fraction, this is a proper rational fraction because numerator degree is 2, denominator is 3. How we get 3? x4 is 1, here whole square power is 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. It is a proper rational fraction. But in denominator, x minus 1 whole square is there. X minus 1 means linear factor. X minus 1 whole square, that means a repeated linear factor. That means x minus 1 comes 2 times. When the denominator contains repeated linear factors, we can use type 2. How we can use the type 2? Let x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to, first here x plus 1 is there, a by x plus 1 plus x minus 1 whole square is there, that means x minus 1 comes 2 times, b by x minus 1 plus another one is there, c by x minus 1 whole square. In type 2, if the linear factor is repeated, we can write it comes 2 times, b by x minus 1 plus c by x minus 1 whole square. Suppose x minus 1 whole cube is there. Next we write plus d by x minus 1 whole cube. We write like this. This is type 2. So when we get the values a, b and c, problem is over. How we can find the a, b, c values? First you take the LCM. Implies x square minus x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to, LCM is x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square. Here x plus 1 cancel, a into x minus 1 whole square, 1 x minus 1 is cancelled, plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1 plus c into x plus 1. So these two denominators are cancelled. X square minus x plus 1 is equal to a into x minus 1 whole square plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1, x plus 1 into x minus 1, c into x plus 1. Take this as an equation 1. So LCM and simplification is over. Next, in the denominator of this fraction x plus 1 is there. When we take x plus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 1. Substitute x equal to minus 1 in the above. Minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a into minus 1 whole square plus b into 0 plus c into 0, because minus 1 plus 1 0, 0 into something is okay, plus c into minus 1 plus 1 0. Here minus 1 whole square 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2 whole square, that is 4, 4a. That implies a is equal to 3 by 4, one value getting. Next, in the denominator of b, x minus 1 is there. So by using x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. Substitute x equal to 1 in equation 1. Here 1 square minus 1 plus 1 is equal to a into 0, because 1 minus 1 plus b into 0. Here 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 into something is 0, plus c into 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 cancel, 1 is equal to, this is 0, 0, 2c, implies c is equal to 1 by 2. So here in this problem we use these two factors. We use these two factors getting values a and b. But how we can find the value of c? There is no other factors. Now take the equation 1. We go for comparison. How we can go for comparison? This is an equation 1. Left side x square minus x plus 1 is there. Right side a into x minus 1 whole square. A into x square minus 2x plus 1 plus b into x plus 1 into x minus 1. X square minus a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. X square minus 1 square is 1 plus c into x plus 1. Once again I will explain this step. Left side x square minus x plus 1. A into, this is a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square means a square minus 2ab plus b square. That is x square minus 2x plus 1 plus b into a plus b into a minus 1. A square minus b square plus c into this one. So already we get a and c values. We want b value. So in the above equation, we compare coefficient of x square. In the left side, x square coefficient is 1. 1 is equal to, here x square coefficient is a into x square, a. Here b into x square plus b. There is no x square coefficient here. 1 is equal to a plus b. We get another equation. Already we have a value. 1 is equal to 3 by 4 plus b. That implies b is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 means b is equal to 1 by 4. B is equal to 1 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4. So we get all values a, here b and c. Last substitute a comma. So final equation this one. Therefore finally x square minus x plus 1 by x plus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to, what is a value? A value is there 3 by 4 divided by x plus 1. Next b value, b value 1 by 4 divided by x minus 1. C value 1 by 2 divided by x minus 1 whole square. These are x square plus 5x plus 7 divided by x minus 3 whole cube into partial fractions. It is a proper rational fraction because degree of numerator is 2, degree of denominator is whole cube, that is 3. So denominator contains x minus 3 whole cube. X minus 3 means it is a linear factor. It comes 3 times. So it is a repeated linear factor. It is also type 2. So for that we write this as x square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube. X square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube is equal to a by x minus 3 plus b by x minus 3 whole square plus c by x minus 3 whole cube. Because it comes 3 times, a by plus b by plus c by like that. But this method already we discussed. We take here some shortcut method. How? X square plus 5x plus 7 by x minus 3 whole cube. This method is useful only denominator contains only repeated linear factor. Not only repeated linear factor, another factor is there. This method is not useful. Here it contains only x minus 3 whole cube. Let x minus 3 whole cube equal some y. Not whole cube, let x minus 3 equal y. That implies x is equal to y plus 3. So the total fraction convert in terms of y. How? X means y plus 3. Y plus 3 whole square plus 5 into y plus 3 plus 7 divided by y cube, because x minus 3 is equal to y. Y plus 3 whole square. This is a plus b whole square formula. Y square and a square plus 2ab 6y plus b square 9 plus 5y plus 15 plus 7 divided by y cube. Y square 6y plus 5y 11y 9 plus 15 plus 7. 9 plus 15 is 24 plus 7 31 by y cube. Dividing y cube with separately, y square by y cube plus 11y by y cube 31 by y cube. Y square by y cube is 1 by y. 11 by y cube is 11 by y square 31 by y cube. So what is the value of y? The value of y is this one, x minus 3. 1 by x minus 3 plus 11 by x minus 3 whole square plus 31 by x minus 3 whole cube. So problem is over. This is the method.